the car you drive could make you sick, and here's how to fix it immediately. You have a bacteria buildup, random germs, as well as allergens building up in the interior of your car. So do yourself a favor and clean it at least once a week. If you can't do it once a week, do it every other week. But make sure and use high quality car care products like this. This is my car care line, Waxy Auto Care. Main Squeeze is an interior detailer that's actually a lemon scent. It not only cleans and disinfects your interior, but it also makes it look nice and shiny, without, of course, that oily feel. So make sure and stay tuned.